Just a quick video, guys. As some of you may know already, I use pretty much my iPad Pro to do all my video editing, and you quickly run out of space very quick if you've compiled a lot of videos and you've shot a lot of videos and you've got all this editing to do. And what I've been trying to use was a normal hard drive. Now that iPad Pro does support file management, I've been using a Targus USB-C dock along with the USB interface for hard drives, but it was a normal spindle hard drive and it was slow as. I couldn't make any meaningful edits out of it. It was wasting so much of my time. So I've actually tried to get the Samsung solid state hard drive, but then I came across this from Sandisk. I just found it more rugged, it's waterproof, and just looks better. Looks much better. Oh, I should say it's not waterproof. You can't dip it in the water. It's water resistant. And I just like the design. So I'll do a quick opening and test to see how well this works with the iPad. Oh, look at that. So nice. I picked up the 1 terabyte version, by the way. That's the maximum size that you can get of these things. I think Samsung do come with 2 terabyte.
What?
Look at that. My hand's not that big, but even then it's small actually. iPhone. This is iPhone XS, not the Max. Compared to that, look at the size. Loving it. Alright, it's got some manuals in all sorts of languages and the cable. So it does come with a USB adapter just in case you need to use that, but I think I'll be okay. I've kind of migrated everything across the USB Type-C now. Oh, it's not one of those attached ones. You just click that in, then you have normal USB and the USB-C on the other end, because this one supports USB Type-C. Alright, it's a short cable. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna quickly jump into my Files app. That was a video that I was shooting. That's gonna be on my fishing TV channel, which is JYL Fishing TV on YouTube. So if you're into fishing, go and subscribe. Fantastic videos. Of course it is. So I'm just gonna quickly unplug from the main. And let's see how this comes up. First time, plug it in. Bam. Look at that. Came up. So quickly access. It's got some manuals and whatnot. Let me see if this works with the iPad adapter. The usual USB Type-C with USB and HDMI out. I'm gonna use the USB adapter that came with it, so I'm just gonna plug that in. So these things has a side, so it's got a little notch there. I don't know whether you can see it clearly, so that it kind of locks in. So as opposed to this way, you'll be against it, it'll have this gap, you can see, but plug it this way, bam, so it kind of locks it in. All right, so using this adapter, so why would I do that? It just allows me to charge using the USB Type-C. So now that's charging, and the Sandisk is getting connected through the normal USB, and waiting. Look at that, came up. So my iPad is charging and my Sandisk is connected. Perfect combination. Go and get it, guys. If you do some editing or you need some portable storage space that is nimble, small, light. I can't believe how light this is. It weighs nothing really, and very portable. I just wish that it came with a little pouch maybe, so that I can carry the cable along with it as well, but I can get a pouch. Then along with that, I'll put a link down in the description. Go and get it. Fantastic. I'm out.